Dear students, today we are going to discuss answer key of periodic test 2, chemistry physics. First question. An element A is soft and can be cut with a knife. This is very reactive to air and cannot be kept open in air. It reacts vigorously with water. Identify the element from the following. Out of these option B is correct. That is sodium. Question 2. Carbon forms 4 covalent bonds by sharing its 4 valence electrons with 4 univalent or monovalent atoms, example hydrogen. After the formation of 4 bonds, carbon attains the electronic configuration of, from the option, neon is correct. Question 3. SI unit of current is ampere. Question 4. Device used to measure potential difference is voltmeter. Question 5. The magnetic field lines around a straight current carrying conductor are C part, concentric circle with their center on the conductor. Question 6. Inside a solenoid, magnetic field lines A part are equidistant parallel lines. Assertion reason type question. There are 4 options. Assertion: mercury is used in the thermometer. Reason: lead is used for making aircraft bodies. Now out of 4 options we have to select one code. So for this, C code is correct. Assertion is true but reason is false because aluminium is used and its alloys are used to making the aircraft bodies. Question number 13 and 14 contain 5 subparts each. You are expected to answer any 4 subparts in these questions. 13. The phenomena by which an element can exist in more than one physical state is called allotropy. Carbon shows allotropy. It can exist in 3 allotropic forms: diamond, graphite and fullerene. Now A part. In which allotropic form of carbon each carbon atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by 4 other carbon atoms? Answer will be diamond. B part. Which allotropic form of carbon is used for making pencil leads? Answer: graphite. C part. Which allotropic form of carbon has a soccer ball like structure? Answer: Buckminster fullerene or simple fullerene. D part. Why is graphite used for making electrodes in the dry cells? This is due to electrical conductivity of the graphite cause it have free electron to conduct the electricity. E part. In which allotropic form of carbon each carbon atom is bonded to 3 other carbon atom in the same plane giving a hexagonal array? Answer will be graphite cause it is layered structure. Question 14. The curved line along which the iron filings arrange themselves represent magnetic field line. Magnetic field can be represented with the help of a set of lines called magnetic field lines or magnetic lines. These lines are imaginary and are used to just visualize the magnetic field of a magnet. The magnetic field lines around a bar magnet are plotted using a magnetic compass. When a bar magnet is brought near a compass, it exerts a magnetic force on the magnetic needle of the compass. This makes the compass needle deflect and point toward the north. From this paragraph, we have to answer the following questions. A part. What is a magnetic compass? A magnetic compass is basically a magnetic needle free to circulate on a pivot to indicate north direction. Question B. Name the pole of a magnet from which magnetic field line start. Answer to this question: North Pole. Question C. Plot magnetic field of a bar magnet. You have to draw magnetic field lines as shown in the figure. First of all, magnet at the center with N and S pole representing north and south poles. Then, as we know, magnetic field line arise from north pole and they enter in South Pole outside a bar magnet. You have to draw this diagram by using scale and pencil. Question D. Are the magnetic field lines real? Answer: no. They are imaginary lines. They are used to visualize the magnetic field of a magnet. Question E. Mention the shape of magnetic field lines around a current carrying state conductor. Answer: concentric rings in the circular form. Thanks for watching. Rest of the questions I'll deal in my next video.